Here's another plastic promo model that I have in my collection. This is a 56 Continental, and it is in really good shape. Not really any mortgage to speak of. It's by AMT, which is stamped on the metal base. The friction motor there still works. And here's the front end. These Continentals were handmade, and that's what drove the cost up on these cars. They were very expensive back in 56, 57, and eventually Ford Motor Company lost money on these, so they didn't. They ceased production of these. There's no interior. There's only front and rear glass. There's the Continental kit. That's how it got its name, for having Continental kits on Lincolns and Continentals for many years. The wheel covers are there. The tires are in good shape. So this is a real good model that I acquired. And I thank you very much for viewing this.